What's up, guys? It is Tuesday, I think, and we're at our install. I did a short video showing all the animals out here. I wanted to do a long form video on this job too. Customers out here are awesome. They remind me of Melissa and I with all the animals and such, and the way their home is exactly how I want to do a home for Melissa and myself. That way our cats and dogs, and I wouldn't mind to get me a couple goats myself, and you know, just build on the land. Chickens too, because I like fresh chicken eggs. So we'll do a long form video. They've got a concrete counter here we're going to pull out, and then we'll bring our laser in and, you know, make sure we've got a nice level surface to bring this in. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that I made this perimeter in one piece so that we didn't have any seams, so that it's the best look for the customer. So once we pull this top off, we're going to just make sure we got a secure area that where we can slide this one piece top in. The downside of it is the top's leathered, so you can't put the support braces and all that on it very well. We did put the fiberglass in the front and the back of the sink. I guess the blessing that it's a drop-in sink, so we were able to block it. We were able to leave the plus sign in place to give it support and all that. But still, it's a very large top. It's a bat wing, and you have to be careful. So we'll do all we can. I'll show you guys like I always do, and Lord willing, we'll get it done. For the most part, it's fairly level on the front side here. It's the back where we got an issue. Right here. So we need to drop that down. I guess that's our best bet, just to drop that down. All right, guys. So we dropped this piece down. We dropped this piece down so that it's level with our laser. We added this piece in here to add some strength. Added this piece in here to add some strength. Everything else is good to go. We went ahead and put our bag in here. That way when we do our cutout, you know, none of the dust escapes. We've also got 2 vacuums that will be running as well. And we put the dishwasher bracket in here. As you can see how the dishwasher sets in these cabinets, we couldn't do it normal and fold the ears down and catch it on the side. So this was our only option to get it in here. So it is in. Now we're going to try to get the tops in. Wish us luck. All right, guys, I've notched that piece right here. A few little spots on the bottom where I had to cut in there, but the stone will go over it, it'll cover, and I can feel that and then touch that up. So we're going to bring it in, lay her over, and slide her into place, and hopefully everything goes perfect. This material is leathered. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet, so it is hard to put the supports on it. I'm going to try, but we'll see how it works. Alright, guys, I don't know how well you can see, but David and I are going to try to put this bad boy on this cabinet here. We do got it blocked, but there's a lot of top here. So up. Side bud. You got the pin pull. There we go. Over there. Might have to put a little support on that. Don't let her flip flop on there. Just have a little support on that, Bubba. Keep a little support on it, Dad. I'm gonna have to lower it back down, bud. Okay, lower than I suspected. Alright, go ahead and turn it. Alright, hold on. It's cold. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright, give me just a second. I'm gonna pop this off. I'm gonna pop yours back. Alright, go ahead. Easy. I don't care if it messes up that bracket. Beautiful, looking good. Alright, just take our time. I'm gonna lower this down just a hair more. Make sure this end's setting. Beautiful. Alright, gently. Alright, so we're gonna have to go kind of backing over. This will be gentle. Straight back in. Alright, let me get the card out of the way. Absolutely awesome. Alright, we're going to just keep working her. I got it pretty close. We might have to trim that a little more, but I got it pretty good. Let's go straight back on. Yeah, I'm going to trim that just a hair, but that's fine. I can live with that. Now check her for shins. Go ahead and put some temporary shins in there. Hey guys, I'm glad y'all are hanging out. I'm glad y'all got more comfortable. Hey buddy. Hey. Hey guys. Hey Mr. Donkey. Hey baby. Hey Mr. Goats. Mr. and Mrs. Goats. Hey horsey. Donkey. Hey pretty donkey. Yes, that's a pretty donkey. That's a pretty donkey. That's a pretty donkey, yes. Who's a pretty donkey? Yeah. I told you the horse is guarding the door.
Yeah, man, they got us surrounded. Holy crap, look, they almost got that box.
I know.
They're like surrounded.
You guys are cool. You guys are awesome. Huh?
They're like, what y'all doing in that house?
Yeah, I was wondering if that's what they was thinking. So we've got the install complete. We had to work on the sink a little bit. It was very, very tight to the cabinet. We had to do some modifications. Cool customer, he helped us out, but got everything looking good. Really love this job.